Hey guys, welcome to another Linux escape room video here today. In today's video, we will be exploring level 11 here, which will pertain to actually environment variables and how they can be used essentially in your container or in any VM essentially. So let's get started. Alright, to start off with, especially for those of you guys who are joining new to the channel, this Linux escape room is essentially just a series of Linux containers that you can run, and the tags are essentially the levels. So in here you can see that all the tags, each tag is leveled and numbered numerically. It isn't really technically like easy to hard at this point. It's just kind of what I've come up with to kind of go through it. So what you can do is if you go to Docker Hub and go to /drew linux-escape-room, you can get to this page that will essentially give you a general gist of what the escape room is all about, but also how to start. So there is a command here that you can run and specify the tag, which will be the number of the level that you want. So in this case, we will do 11. And it will essentially pull from Docker Hub, and in this case it's polling, and then once it's done polling and running, it will essentially give you the introduction to what the Linux escape room is. So this is just the general escape room introduction for all the escape rooms, but what we can do is type in help to kind of give us the general gist of what we will be looking for. So I was told that there's an environment variable key set, so key in all uppercase. Let's take a note of that. We can see that there is one room, so let's take a look at what's in this room. So there is a script that says, I found the environment variable. So looks like I heard that there's environment variable key was defined. I wonder if I can use it. So essentially, hopefully, this key can be used to get another key to escape, essentially. So with environment variables, it's pretty much the environment variable is defined for the whole environment of your VM or your container. They're very useful if you need to define certain things for your whole virtual machine that uses variables. But how to use variables in Bash essentially, or in the shell, is you can use echo, and then you can use the $, which will indicate this is the variable name. And then so based off of what you can see here, key all uppercase probably means that I set the key all uppercase variable to something. So let's echo to see what this key variable says. And essentially you can see that this key variable is another key. So let's use that and run it in the script and see if this gives me another key. So based off of this, it would say, hey, I have entered a key, I got another key. So this key most likely is the key to escape. So let's escape and paste the key. And you can see now we get the train that will essentially that indicates that we have successfully entered the right key to escape and we are good to go. So that's how you can essentially use environment variables to kind of set certain values that other scripts or other things can use, and you can reference that value pretty much anywhere in your VM or container. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week for level 12.